Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent security notifications on WhatsApp Web for PC. In this latest update, WhatsApp has made it even easier to manage your notification settings, giving you more control over your messaging experience. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to disable those pesky security alerts. First things first, open up WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by heading to web.whatsapp.com in your favorite browser. Once you're logged in and see your chats, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with various options. Now, here's where the magic happens. In that left side menu, you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a new panel with all your WhatsApp web settings. In the Settings panel, you'll see several tabs. We're looking for the one called Account. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a list of account-related options. Scroll down until you spot Security Notifications. This is where we'll make our changes. Under Security Notifications, you'll find a checkbox that says, Show Security Notifications on this computer. This is the culprit behind those alerts you've been seeing. To prevent these notifications from popping up, simply uncheck this box, and just like that, you're done. It's that easy. You've successfully disabled security notifications on WhatsApp Web for your PC. From now on, you won't be bothered by those alerts every time you log in or when there's a security-related event. Remember, while these notifications can be annoying, they're designed to keep your account secure. By turning them off, you're taking on a bit more responsibility for monitoring your account security. It's always a good idea to stay vigilant and check your WhatsApp settings regularly. We hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your WhatsApp web experience. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.